This video answers how to buy shares of Nemetschek SE and shows the steps for nem.de on Xetra. Nemetschek is a German software company serving architecture, engineering, and construction with BIM and design tools. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a regulated broker to buy the stock. I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by providing an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Open the platform search and type the ticker nem.de to find the correct listing on Xetra. Select the result that matches Nemetschek SE to ensure you have the right share. On the asset page, review the basic company description and the price chart to confirm this is the Nemetschek SE listing. Check market details and recent price history before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details carefully and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After the trade executes, you will see your position in the portfolio section. For convenience, the example link is available in the description below.